got a call from a couple creepers, and we're gonna go up here. I'm on Freeway 50. We're gonna go up here and break into this park and skate it. The corporate banksters and the city councilmen and everyone, they built this skate park years ago, and to try to keep all the kids isolated inside of gates, kind of like a prison. But then they also charge us to skate there. So me, myself personally, I've only skated there once. You know, it was a long time ago and I never went back. Plus they force you to wear helmets and pads and stuff, which is actually more dangerous. I'm making a video. My name's Bill Schuyler.
Hello.
You guys want to introduce your names?
My name's Mr. Ned.
Mr. Ned.
What's up? I'm Daniel.
Who are you, sir?
Bill Schuyler. Hey, who are you?
Steven.
Steven who?
Steven Richmond.
Steven Richmond? Alright.
Cobweb stare, the ancient bones. I'm the shadow-ripping cobblestone. I'm the stagnant swamp, the black lagoon. I'm the branches scratching at the moon. I'm the funeral service, the unknown morn. I'm the demon cowering in the corner. I'm the sexton's spade, the new thrown clay. I'm what's left when they walk away. I'm the ebony coffin, side to lining, helping lips in the back room dying. Ooh, the pale thin lips in the back room dying. I'm the walking dead, the fly-by-night. I'm the last of the fading light. I'm the unbarred door, the open casement. I'm the steps leading down to the basement. I'm the four-post bed, the let-down bed. I'm the cross you forgot to wear. I'm the highest voltage, the shining slab, the crack of midnight in the doctor's lab. I'm the night before, the morning after, echoing up the Baron's laughter, echoing up the Baron's laughter. I'm Jonathan Harker, I'm Lucy's trance, elegant counts, hypnotic glance. I'm the wooden mallet, the sharpened stake. I'm the precautions you forgot to take. I'm the mummy's curse, the passing bell. I'm the fortune that they wouldn't tell. I'm Pyromania, I'm Transylvania.